If you have leftover rice, don't you dare think about throwing it away. We not throw away rice, we turn it into magic. Stick around while I show you the exact steps to make this bussin' fried rice. It's quick, easy, and full of yard vibes. All you're gonna need to do is to cut up some fresh vegetables. I am using bell pepper, scallions, carrots, onion, and garlic. You can use frozen vegetables if you wish, but I like to cut my thing fresh because you're gonna get a different flavor from that. Yeah man, I just our way that we like to do. We don't like the frozen thing too much. So you just cut up the vegetable them small. See how small the onion is? Yeah, and get everything ready to fry up. So now I'm adding some garlic. Also because I like the garlic taste. So you get all your veggies ready before you're ready to really cook. So the spin on my fried rice is adding some kind of meat. Some people just use the eggs and the vegetables and things, but I like to add some kind of meat. So if I have leftover chicken or chicken breast freshly made, I use that. But right now I only have franks. So I'm cutting up some frankfurter and I'm gonna fry those up. Yeah man, so you fry those up for a couple of minutes or however long you want to fry it for. Everybody have a different ratio. Then after that you're gonna season it up with all of your cut up seasonings, vegetables. Then you cook up that and let everything soak, assimilate, give you some flavor. Right now I'm cracking 3 eggs. You have your preference of eggs. I'm just using 3. You can use less, you can use more. You season your eggs with salt and pepper. Give your eggs a quick whisk and then you add it to your pot, to the sausages. You can cook your eggs separately if you like, but a one pot may I use and the food still go nice. Yeah man, food have been nice. So you go and stir up that now until the egg, cook to however you want it. Yeah, me have to cook egg good enough. I like this runny egg, and then me add my pepper flakes. That is a must for me. Pepper is a must. Yeah, we love the pepper. So right now you add your rice. 1, 2-day-old, 3-day-old rice. Have it in the fridge. Don't throw it away, man. Look how we make beautiful, magical food right here, so in front of your eyes. You don't even have to go far. Right? Just follow the steps. Add anything else you want to add. Everybody have their own style. We add some soy sauce now. Yeah, we're gonna bump up the flavor with some soy sauce because they know that they're the original thing for fried rice. Yeah man, and you stir up and make everybody nice up in the pot. Yeah, whole party go on in the pot. I add some everything seasoning right there. So that is optional still because not everybody can get that. But it's in my area, so yeah, look there now man. So you plate that up now. That is a big plate. Me a plate up there now. And me alone I go eat it. Me promise you now. That yeah, me just a plate it up. Right then now so you can see the looks of the thing. And me I tell you, me know you can smell it through the phone here too man. But you not just a look and a smell too. Me I tell you it smell good. So you garnish up now with some scallion. And you get ready to satisfy your taste buds now. And better yet, to fill your belly. Yeah man, that fried rice is bad. And if you're ready to try this, make sure you give me a yeah man in the comment section. Time to eat now. Later. And please remember to like and subscribe before you go. Bye.